Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we will going to start a new chapter, that is the congruence of triangle. So in this chapter you will learn so many criteria by which the two triangles are congruent to each other. This number one criteria is that is SAS. This criteria is side angle side. Theorem number 1, what actually is just given, see. If two triangles have two sides and inclined angle of corresponding sides and the included angle of the other, then the triangles are congruent. What is actually the meaning of this? This is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. It is given these two sides, that is one AB is equal to DE and AC equal to DF, and included angle is BAC or angle A equal to angle D. This is given. So we need to prove that this is congruent to each other. Congruency, you know, this in all respect, if it is equal, then this figure is congruent to this one. So here we are just going to prove that one. See, it is given, just included this one, all these things, what I have just right now just told you, that is AB equal to DE, this is given, AC equal to DF, and BAC angle equal to DEF angle, EDF angle. This is given. We need to prove triangle ABC and congruent to triangle DEF. Prove. Place this triangle ABC over DEF. Just take this and place it, such that A point is on D and AB is towards DE. See, as because AB falls on DE and AB equal to DE, so B point will also falls on E. Now, this angle A equal to angle D. Therefore, this AC side is also fall on DF side. If it is fall on DF and AC is equal to DF, then definitely C point, it will also fall on F. So C will also fall on F. Thus, this is actually the AC coincide over DF. Now, see, AB is coincide with B point is coincide with E, C point is coincide with F. So therefore BC is actually coincide with EF. Then all the sides of triangle ABC, this actually coincide on DEF. So we can just tell this triangle ABC and this triangle DEF are congruent to each other. So this is actually the proof of this. Next is theorem number 2. What it actually just tells us. The angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Angle, this is triangle ABC. Angle opposite to the equal sides, AB is given AC. We need to prove that is angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. This need to be proved. The given is AB equal to AC. We need to prove ABC angle equal to ACB angle. Now construction, draw AD, the bisector of angle A, that is this angle equal to this angle. Now it meet BC at point B. Now prove in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, what actually just are equal. AB equal to AC, these are given. Angle this one, BAD angle CAD, this is by construction. This is the angle bisector, no? AD is the bisector. So this angle equal to this angle. And AD equal to AD, this is the common side. So side, angle and side, this is the theorem number 1 we have already just proved. So we can tell this triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, as because this is criteria SAS criteria meet over here. So we can tell this is actually angle ABC, ABD equal to angle ACD, that is angle ABC equal to angle ACB. and this is CPCT. CPCT is corresponding part of the congruent triangle. If this is congruent, then corresponding part of the congruent triangle means this side opposite to this side of this angle is B angle, and this side opposite of this angle is equal to C angle. So ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. In this video, you will learn two theorems over here. So in my next video, I shall show some other theorems also related to congruency of triangles. Thank you very much.